Alright, what do we got here? Heck. This is a horror map? Alright, I guess we're gonna do this. So yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is a horror map in Teardown called Forgotten.
Warning.
I hate horror maps.
Reactor damaged.
What's
Emergency power activated.
What is this? Oh, heck no, bro. I can like barely. I'm probably gonna turn up the brightness for you guys, but like I can barely see anything.
Reactor damaged. Emergency power activated. Warning.
That.
Reactor damaged. Emergency power activated.
Can I open these? Oh, I'm not checking all of these. Absolutely not. Okay. We can open that, but let's explore a little bit more. Like, wait, why is this cracked? I don't really know. I have to use a crowbar. I don't have a crowbar.
Warning.
Anywhere else?
Reactor damaged.
Bro, I know the
Emergency power activated.
I know the reactor is damaged.
Keycard required.
Okay, I need a key card for that. Okay, there's a thing here. What was that? I just heard something behind me, dude.
Warning. Reactor damaged.
Oh my god, dude.
Emergency power activated.
Oh, I think that was just ambient noise. Okay, I probably should remember that if there's a sound,
warning,
probably just
reactor
not
damaged.
anything.
Emergency power activated.
Can't open this. Can't open that. Can't get onto that computer. Okay, I think like literally all we can do is just go into here.
Please
Oh, I'm
close
not
the door.
ready.
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
Warning.
Oh, you mean this?
Reactor damaged. Emergency power activated.
Oh. Okay. What is this?
Warning. Hostile life form detected.
That scared the crap out of me.
Sector placed under lockdown. Ensure
Wait,
immediate disposal of biohazard material.
What do you mean hostile life detected? Okay, I'm actually kind of scared.
Hostile life form detected.
Let's take this crowbar.
Sector placed under lockdown. Ensure immediate disposal of biohazard material.
That's the hostile life. Doesn't look that harmful. Hey, buddy.
Warning.
Wait, he's hostile.
Hostile life form detected.
Like, hello?
Sector placed under lockdown.
Bud?
Ensure immediate disposal of biohazard material.
Throw him against the wall. How do I hurt him? How do I hurt him? Oh, come on. Good.
Warning. Hostile life form detected. Lockdown lifted.
I got him.
Sector placed under lockdown. Ensure immediate disposal of biohazard material.
It's like all his guts in. Oh, this is his head. Get that out of my hands.
Warning. Breach on Sector 8.
Is there anything like around here?
Please wait for maintenance personnel.
We got an injector 20. Not really sure what that does, but I will keep it. I do see that it says tab for inventory. Alright, so it's in my inventory. Standard medical injector recovers 20% of the player's health. Ooh, okay. Crowbar. So you have a crowbar. And then, oh, we have like
Breach on Sector 8. Stay clear of the area.
Do we have like
Please wait
barely
for maintenance personnel.
This lady stop talking? So we have very limited inventory. Well, I got a crowbar now, so I can open that one door. But I just want to see if I can get in here. No, I can't. What's even... What is that? Oh, that's a door
Warning.
over there.
Breach on Sector 8.
Okay.
Stay clear of the area.
Interesting.
Please wait for maintenance personnel.
Okay. So yeah, let's just keep going this way. Back to that one door that we can open.
Please close the door.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Gotta close this door. It's gotta spray me off.
Please wait.
Okay. Oh god. There better not be Hello?
Warning. Breach
Am I in
on
here?
Sector 8. Stay clear of the area.
Am I in Sector 8?
Please wait for maintenance personnel.
I can't close that. Okay, I guess I'll do this. Okay, there's nobody. There's about to be someone through this hallway. Whenever there's a dark hallway in a game, there's always somebody. Or some kind of jump scare in it, so I don't know if I trust this.
Warning. Breach on Sector 8. Stay clear of the area.
I better not be in Sector
Please
8.
wait for maintenance personnel.
Oh. What's that? What's that? No. No. So, I'm in the same hall as whatever this thing is.
Warning.
It just shook the whole place.
Breach on Sector 8. Stay clear of the area.
I keep
Please
forgetting I have
wait
a
for
flashlight.
maintenance personnel.
Why is that moving? Oh, there's nothing here. What? So let's push this. Console found cryopod room. Passcode 1837. Okay, I guess we'll just remember that 1837. So, if I remember correct, I'm pretty sure there was a passcode on this thing here. Wait, I forgot what it was though. 1873.
Breach on Sector 8. Stay
1873.
clear of the area. Please wait for maintenance personnel.
Okay. As you may have heard, we discovered a mineral of unknown origin on asteroid MD581395 while conducting routine drilling. We have secured samples to send to the lab for testing. Okay.
Warning. Structural integrity at less than
I ain't reading all
50%.
this.
Immediate maintenance required.
I'll read this. Things are getting worse down here. The growths are appearing on more and more of us. There's nothing we can do except put the infected out of their misery. Honestly, I might do the same. Is that what that one guy was? Like, was he like infected or something? Ooh. Wait, why is the doors thing glitching out? Did I do that? I can't open or close the doors. Wait, why are the lights off? Okay, let me turn lights on. I'm turning the lights on for everything.
Warning.
Anything else?
Structural integrity at less than 50%. Immediate maintenance required.
Oh, this is like a really small map. Oh wait, the doors isn't like glitched on this one.
Access granted.
Oh, is it like that on any other one? Recording start. Need anything else? No. Parker, what are you doing here? Huh. So I just opened a door.
Warning. Structural integrity at less than 50%. Immediate maintenance required.
Okay, if you're here, I'm gonna throw this at you. I think the room was like just over here.
Warning.
Oh yeah.
Structural integrity at less than 50%.
This door is
Immediate
open.
maintenance required.
I'm not seeing anybody though. But does that mean I let whatever was in here out? Ooh, keycard. Yeah, nothing's in here. Nail gun amp? Ooh, so I get a nail gun. Nail gun ammo, some more.
Warning. Structural integrity at less than 50%. Immediate maintenance required.
Lady, I know, you don't have to keep repeating it. Wait, what? Railgun? Railgun ammo? Ooh. 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 Oh, this thing looks nice. I'm gonna have some fun with this thing.
Immediate
Wait,
maintenance
so
required.
I got this key card. Where does it do? Maintenance on. What's that? What was that noise? Okay, maintenance hall is just over there. So that's pretty easy. Is this the
Warning.
maintenance hall?
Structural
No.
integrity at less than 50%.
Is this the
Immediate
maintenance hall?
maintenance
Ooh.
required.
Oh. Oh no. What is this? I don't know if I want to do this. Okay. I got a nail gun, so I'm pretty much safe. I just heard something move. What's that? Oh! Oh! Get him! No, I'm gonna reload. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. I had to like spam the space key just to get out. Okay. No. Ooh. Okay, key card. Can I open this? To the ventilation room. Okay. Interesting. So where's the ventilation room? It is... Ooh, okay, it's over there. So now I need to get...
Move to Sector 6 for debriefing. Granted.
Hello? Anybody in here? Die! No, 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 please. Okay. How do I execute? Okay. Wait, so how do I heal?
Warning. Structural
Oh yeah,
integrity
this.
at less than 30%. All non-essential personnel are to move to Sector 6 for debriefing.
Oh, that's how I do it. Okay. Okay, I healed a little bit. Wait, this was open the whole time? I could just come in here. Okay. We got some more nail gun ammo, and then we got a key card. Let's reload.
For debriefing.
Alright, so let's clean out our inventory a little bit. So I don't think I'll need this anymore, because I already went in there. And then I don't think I'll need this, because I already opened the door. Okay, the medical room. Ooh, so the medical room should have some, like, health things, right? I mean, it is a medical room after all. So where is the medical
Warning.
room?
Structural integrity at less than 30%.
Where's
All
the...
non-essential personnel are to move to Sector 6 for debriefing.
Is it the med bay? Is that what it? Hold on, let me try. It is. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's right there. It's right. Hey, bud. Oh, it just.
Warning. Structural integrity at less than 30%.
It
All
just killed itself.
non-essential
Ooh.
personnel are to move to Sector 6 for debriefing.
Oh god. Oh no 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 no. Close. Oh my god. Die. No. Get nail gun. Oh.
Warning.
Shoot. Shoot him.
Structural integrity at less than 30%.
Oh no, I'm out.
All
Juke, juke.
non-essential personnel are to move
Get
to
your
Sector
ankles broke.
6
Oh, I
for
went in the wrong
debriefing.
place. I went in the wrong place. No, no, no. Get away. Ooh, 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 ooh. I broke that guy's ankle. Wait, what if there's more in here? Reload. Okay, nobody here. Ooh, new kind of ammo. Oh, we got some more health.
Warning. Less than 30%.
What's that, a
All
mantis?
non-essential personnel are to move to Sector 6 for debriefing. Warning.
Powerful medical
Structural
injector
integrity
recovers
at less than 30%.
50%?
All non-essential personnel are to move to Sector 6
Okay.
for debriefing.
Okay, I don't think there's anything else in here. So we did get a new key card, and what's that mantis thing? Ooh. Okay, so we got advanced quad barrel shotgun that fires APDS rounds. Okay. So, like, can we switch it with the crowbar?
Warning. Structural
Ooh,
integrity at less than 30%.
so
All
I don't think we'll
non-essential
need that.
personnel are to move to Sector 6 for debriefing.
Armory. So next we're going. Oh. Oh, you're done now. Oh no. Ha 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 ha. Oh, he's dead. No. No, 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 I did not mean to do that. Reload,
ACS
reload.
systems
Come on.
damaged. Cannot control vessel. Maintenance required.
Got him. Why is it so hard to kill these guys? Like, it takes forever. Okay. Let's get out of here.
Granted.
Okay. So, I think we can throw out the medical room one. Don't think we'll need that. And then we got the armory, so where's the armory?
ACS systems damaged. Cannot control vessel. Maintenance required.
Oh, I see the armory. Okay, it's down the hallway. A little bit. So let's run down here. I probably should reload. Oh, because I already know there's going to be people in here. Is it? I don't like that. Okay, that guy had... He can get through the door. At least his gun can.
ACS systems damaged. Cannot control vessel. Maintenance required. Granted.
Reload. Reload, what? I don't have any ammo? What? Oh my... He has a gun and it can get through the door somehow. I don't have any ammo except for one nail gun. Oh no, he's shooting. Okay. I can't reload.
ACS
Oh no.
systems damaged. Cannot control vessel. Maintenance required. Granted.
Can we just like close this door on him and kill him like that? Oh! Okay.
Granted. ACS systems damaged. Cannot control
Wait, where
vessel.
is he?
Maintenance required.
I'm just gonna get in here. Oh, is there somebody else in here? No, there's not. Okay. Okay, ACS chip. Take that, I guess. Rail. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. That's crazy. Okay, I'm clipping that right now. Wrong button. Okay. I'll keep it just in case. Okay, anything else in here? Oh, an injector 50?
ACS systems damaged. Cannot
Okay.
control vessel. Maintenance required.
Oh, it's lagging. Why is it lagging? Okay. Oh my gosh, why is it lagging? Holy cow, dude, this thing is so cool. Okay, let's get out.
Granted.
Alright. Wait, where did that one guy go? That had the gun. Is this him? I guess that's him. Oh, I got that, like, chip thing. Computer chip used for installing updates on the main terminal. Software update ready for install. Okay. I think this is it.
ACS
Oh
systems
boy.
damaged.
I
Cannot
feel like
control
there's
vessel. Maintenance required.
I feel like there's gonna be a jump scare here. Like, why do I feel like that? So now we could
ACS
just
systems damaged. Cannot control vessel. Maintenance required.
So what can we do here? Oh, we can open this. Do I really want to open? Because like, what if there's like 10 people in there? Do I really want to open that? Wait, I can open this too.
Access granted.
Okay, let's open that. 3, 2, 1, open.
Access
Get out, get out, get out.
granted.
Because that's right here. I already see somebody. I got a railgun now. Ooh, this thing tears through them. Oh, I see somebody right there. Oh, I missed. No, 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 no. Reload. Please.
Warning. Bridge crew vitals are unavailable. Ejecting bridge escape capsule.
Okay. Bang. Okay. Dude, this thing is so good. Okay. Where's that other guy? Let's see. Okay. Got him. Oh, it like blows him up. This thing is actually crazy. Okay, let's reload. Oh, there's another guy? What's that in his hand? Do they all have that? He's moving too much. I can't like aim. Got him. Ugh, what's that?
Warning.
It's like
Bridge
really
crew
laggy.
vitals are unavailable. Ejecting bridge escape capsule.
Got some new nail gun ammo. Ooh, railgun ammo. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. More railgun ammo. Some of that other ammo. Okay, we're pretty much good. Whoa.
Warning. Hostile life form
No, 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 no,
detected.
no, no, no.
Sector placed under lockdown.
No, 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 no.
Ensure immediate disposal of biohazard material.
Reload. Hey, buddy. Oh my god. He's chasing me. Oh my god. Okay. Oh! Okay, so I think every time you attack him, he charges at you. It's okay. No. Oh my god, let me in here. I'll here now. Steal. Reload. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. You just hit full stop. No. Okay. How do you see it? Reload. Stop that. Stop that. Reload. Oh gosh. Oh, maybe you can't see me. Oh gosh. Maybe you can't see me because I'm the sound. Okay. I'm so low.
Lockdown
not hear him. Did I just kill him? Oh, he better be dead. I just got like... Is this a new gun? Reactor room? Okay.
Warning.
I don't think I need that.
Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown issues. Evacuate the area immediately.
Okay. So, Viper. Ooh. This looks really good. Oh, all the lights are on. Well, not down there. Okay, so... I got... What did I get? Reactor room? Okay. So... Oh my... No. Whoa, that jump scared the crap out of me. I healed. Oh my... It just shoots me as soon as I open.
Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown issues. Evacuate the area immediately.
Oh my... Close. Whew. I think I should use the railgun on. And I think I missed. I hit him. I don't know if he died though. Let me use this railgun. Oh, the Viper sucks compared to the railgun.
Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown issues. Evacuate the area immediately.
Oh yeah, the railgun is OP, so I think I'll just use this instead. I just saw this guy's gun through the wall. Where is he? Here he is. What? I just hit him right in the head. Oh, that was so close. No, aim. Okay. Right in the head. Look at that. Is he still alive? No way he's still alive. Okay.
Warning. Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown...
Key card. This looks important.
Warning. Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown issues. Evacuate the area immediately.
Okay, let's just... Okay, can't control that. Hold on, so what can we do? What? Reactor room, server room. Okay. So I'm in the reactor room. Where's the server room? Oh, I see. So server room is down this way. I'm pretty sure this is it.
Warning. Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown issues.
God.
Evacuate the area immediately.
God, this thing is so OP. Where are you, buddy? Oh. Is he still alive? Okay. Injector 20. We actually need that.
Warning. Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown issues. Evacuate the area immediately.
Okay, let's heal up a little bit. Oh, we got an injector 50. That's nice. think that's it though. It's lagging so bad right now. Oh, we can view this. Mail run. Oh, it's just more reading.
Warning. Reactor 4
Yeah,
is
so you guys can read
experiencing
that.
unknown issues. Evacuate the area immediately.
What's this? Enter star. Up, down, left. Oh, okay. So it's just like a little mini game, I guess. But my game is like really lagging. Okay.
Warning.
Huh?
Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown issues. Evacuate the area immediately.
I'm not gonna evacuate the area. I'm playing a little mini game. Oh, it's like shaking. It's trying to mess me up. Okay. Oh, I literally got it. What?
Reactor 4 is experiencing unknown issues. Evacuate the area immediately.
How did they do this in teardown? This is actually crazy. Oh my god, it's shaking so much. What is that?
Warning. Structural integrity at less than 10%. Structural failure
Oh my god,
detected.
okay.
All personnel are to move to the
Wait.
escape pods.
Oh my. Is there about to be like a jump scare or something? Wait, there's nobody here. But what did that do for me? What did that actually do? Server room, we already have that. Reactor room.
Integrity at less
Oh,
than
what?
10%. Structural failure imminent. All personnel are to move to the escape pods.
But no, the railgun is way better than like anything. Oh no no no! It like jumped at me. Oh, I got him. Get out of here.
You have entered a restricted area. Leave immediately.
Wait, I can't leave. No 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 no. Wait, I got him. Oh.
Warning. Structural integrity at less than 10%.
Oh.
Personnel.
Oh, that's a drone. That's a drone. Absolutely. Oh, get juked. Bang. Wait, can I drive this thing? Hold on, hold on. Oh my god, I can't. No, no. Got him. Oh my god.
Warning.
No, no, it's gonna break the thing.
Less than 10%. Structure.
Break it.
Warning.
Okay, broke it.
Vessel communications severed.
Uh-oh.
Immediate maintenance required.
Okay, I got that. Come on. Oh, this is so hard to control. You guys don't even know. Uh-oh. I fell down here. Oh. Uh-oh. No, I can't get back up. Oh, I can jump.
Warning.
Oh, get up.
Nuclear reactor power link severed.
No, 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 no.
Activating backup generators.
Oh. Wait, I died. Alright, let's go back there and do that.
Damaged. Emergency power activated.
Wait, what? Come on. Are you serious? Oh my, if you die, you restart.
Warning.
I ain't doing
Reactor
this.
damaged.
I might do a part 2 if you
Emergency
guys,
power activated.
I don't know. If this video gets like 5 likes, I'll do a part 2. But I ain't doing this again. I guess that's it for today's video. Well, I'll probably make a new one, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got kind of scared. It wasn't really that scary, to be honest. It was a pretty fun one, but except for the fact that you restart when you die.
Warning.
That's ridiculous.
Reactor damaged.
But, yeah.
Emergency power activated.
So see you guys in the next episode.